Hey everyone, it's Chris with Wicked Relics Off-Road. Today I want to demonstrate our new Packhorse Covert System. It is for your two-door 6G Bronco with non-seat delete. It does utilize our original two-door Packhorse slide-out kit. It is a all aluminum construction with the exception of our mounting brackets are steel, just to mount your slides to, as well as mount to the anchor points in your cargo area. We do now also include a tray divider and we still use our heavy duty locking slides. The main thing I want to get to now is our covert tray. This is so you can utilize more cargo space that's secured when your seats are folded forward. All you would need to do is remove the forward locking pins closest to the tailgate on either side, and it will release your flip tray. Your tray actually rests on your seats when they're folded down. We do have some rubber isolators on there to help support any of the weight. I do recommend some of the aftermarket seat back protectors that are rubberized. They're a great option to outfit to your vehicle. Helps protect your rear seat interior from pet hair and unwanted damage and dirt and that sort of thing. Whenever you do not want to use your full tray and you want to have your seats up, just fold your tray forward, replace your locking pins, and if you wanted to utilize the actual slide out tray, remove your secondary locking pins, and that will allow you to rotate the upper tray system up out of the way, and it will rest up against your rear seats. That way you can utilize more of your slide out tray space for coolers and that sort of thing. The system is very easy to install, very easy to operate. It does come in fine textured powder coat black. We do offer color matching to your vehicle. The trays, the lower pack out tray and the upper covert tray, are the only things that will be color matched. The remainder of the hardware will all be fine textured black to blend into your interior. It's easily serviced, easily maintained. We provide all weatherproof hardware, as well as high quality USA gas struts to support your tray itself. You can check us out at wickedrelicsoffroad.com. You can email us at wickedrelicsoffroad@gmail.com. You can contact us via our website. If you have any questions, I'm glad to answer them. I'm mostly available any time of the day. I appreciate everyone checking out the website and checking out our products.